you haven't noticed already, Lexi is a very needy cat. I absolutely love waking up to snow. I think it's the most magical thing in the world. It just makes everything so peaceful and quiet and gentle. And it's really just one of the best days when it's snowing. We're supposed to be getting a blizzard, so I'd really like to try and get outside before that happens, hopefully. And Jazz, the new puppy, has never seen snow before, so I'm really excited because I think she's really gonna love it. Snow is always a nice reminder to have a slow, cozy day, but I'm also that type of person who loves to go outside and just be in the snow and catch the falling snowflakes, and I could be out there for hours, so I hope I have a chance to get outside today, but otherwise I think it'll be a really cozy day today, probably a very simple day, filled with cat cuddles. But oh my gosh, I cannot describe how much I love the snow and how magical it feels to be outside in it. So I'm gonna make sure I get out there today. This is really the first time we're getting snow this year, and I really don't want to miss it. It's just so special to me. And Lexi's gonna stay inside in the warm, so we're gonna have to cuddle with her at some point. I started this morning off with a tarot reading, and honestly I'm really glad I did that because I was feeling a little bit lost, and this was actually really helpful. The spread basically told me that I'm discontent and I'm not noticing the success that I have because I'm too focused on what I think I'm failing at. And what I need to do is listen to my heart because I have the power to manifest what I desire. But I just have to stop worrying so much about how my desires will come to me. And as a result, my creativity and my expression will allow me to live a life full of joy and assurance of the divine feminine being that I am. I need to stop getting in my own way and instead let my creative and passionate self step forward and flourish. I've been reading Sadhguru's Inner Engineering, and the part that really stuck with me today and resonated with me was when he said, "Don't battle with life. You are not anti-life. You are life." And he's right. I am life, and so are you, so is everybody. We can sulk about our outside circumstances and blame our unhappiness on outside sources, but so much of life is experienced within. And I don't know about you, but I no longer want to be what is holding me back. So that is my wisdom of the day. That is what I needed to hear today. So I'm going to share that because it's really powerful and important and so easy to forget that we are life, and 99% of the time we are what is holding ourselves back because our life experience is inside us. We are experiencing life through ourselves, and a lot of it is not external. So I'm gonna enjoy my snow day and consciously decide not to be the thing that holds me back. Exciting. I can't explain how beautiful and peaceful it is here with the lake and all the snow on the trees. It just looks so perfect and magical. And I'm so happy to be here. How you call a duck?
It's not working.
I don't think it's working. It completely warmed my heart to see Jazz hopping like a little bunny in the snow. Every time she sees it now, she acts like it's the very first time. It's often seen as cold and inconvenient, but if you're safe at home, snow is nothing but pure fun, even if you get stuck in it. Ever since I was a child, I've been obsessed with snow. It was always a complete and total wonder for me, and nothing's changed. I never want to lose that childlike excitement over simple things, because they're what make every single day a wonder. We all get in our own ways, and our minds are often at war with our hearts, or our spirits. It's funny to think that on a windy, blizzardy day, I can see clearly what I've been missing, but it's true. When we step out of our heads and look at the wonder that surrounds us, it's all clear.
Okay. Ready to go again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that would happen to me.